So finally for number 5, this is probably the most difficult one, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and write this information down, because I'm gonna go ahead and scroll all the way up. Slope um, is -2, and I get that my point is 10 comma -9, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll all the way up because I do want to use the little diagram that I have at the very top, right? And again, the reason why I like this diagram I explained in class is because the variables that are colored are pretty much the variables that we're gonna be replacing. Everything else that's white or black, we're gonna leave it alone, right? So again, just keep in mind that for the point, it's always gonna be x1, y1, right? Whatever point we're dealing with. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my information that I have here into this formula, the point slope form, right? So I have y minus, right? You see how they're not colored in because I'm gonna leave them as they are. Y minus. Now my y sub 1 is my y value on my point. So my y value on my point is -9, right? And again, before I move on, just keep in mind, I know I have double negatives here, but one of them is the one from your form, and the other one is the one from your y value, right? So equals to, now my m, which again stands for slope, is -2, so I'm going to put a -2 here. The rest right here, this whole part, I'm just going to go to an input, x minus, and now my x1 is going to be the value 10. Now technically I'm done, but this little thing right here is going to kind of bothers me. So make sure you use the little face that we've seen before, right? So if you have a double negative, this turns into a positive. So my final answer should be y plus 9 equals to -2 x minus 10. Right? And that should be my final answer. So if I go all the way down, I see that my final answer, I didn't pick an answer for that one. I see that my final answer is y plus 9 equals -2, -2, x minus 10, x minus 10. So letter D.